Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create gradient color background automatically in CapCut. So first you're just going to select your photos or videos or images you like to edit, and I'm just going to select this image, and I'm just going to remove the background, select cut out, and select auto cut out. Sorry, select from OK, picker. Sorry. Alright, after done, you're just going to go to basic and scroll down until you find canvas. Just select style. I will appear the option scroll down. You can find the gradient color. Just select it. Right, I'm just going to remove the select other image. Cut out. Like how to cut out. Basic style canvas. Just wait. Scroll down and select the gradient color like. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, like in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.